And now it's time for Lake Minnetonka's favorite champion of safety, protector of humankind, and master of avoiding danger, the LMCC's safety expert.
Ooh, I think I just stepped in some doggy dew. Yuck. Oh, hi, it's your favorite safety expert here. I'm coming to you today from the Lake Minnetonka LRT on a beautiful fall afternoon with some important trail safety tips. Joining me as always is my trusted guinea pig. Sidekick, camera operator.
Hi.
Today, camera operator will demonstrate the do's and don'ts on the trail to make sure that you stay safe. Are you ready to get started, little buddy? Great, let's get started. But you know what? Bring over the pooper scooper and clean this mess up. Yuck.
Okay.
When the trail crosses the road, you need to pay attention to what the signs on the trails say. If it's a stop sign, you must wait until traffic is clear before you cross. If it's a yield sign, you should wait until cars see you and stop, allowing you to cross. Or in the case of this crossing in Shorewood, there's a sign indicating for you to push it to turn on the traffic yield lights, which will make traffic aware of your presence so they can stop for you to cross.
All right, Big Red's gonna come to a stop right here. Bang! This side over here, this is completely clear. All right, we're gonna create a seam here and a seam here, and then boom, through the intersection, right up the gut. Now, camera operator will show you what not to do. Okay, buddy, I want you to close your eyes and race right through the intersection.
No.
But would you do it for a Scooby snack?
Yeah.
Great, go get him, Slugger.
You're operating without a brain.
You did it, pal.
Come on.
Huh? Oh, sorry, I'm all out of Scooby snacks.
When approaching someone slower on the trail, you should always pass on the left-hand side and make yourself known to the person you are passing.
Pay attention and keep your ears open. You certainly don't want to be blocking your trail if somebody's coming by. That could cause a major accident.
Look out!
Make sure the trail under you is clean of debris.
Sweeping.
You know, something like nails could cause a major accident.
What is that?
Communication on the trail is key, but don't overdo it with something like, oh, I don't know, an air horn app.
What's that?
Wow, that was loud.
If you come across an animal on the trail, such as a coyote or a black bear, your best choice of action is hazing, which involves you yelling and waving your arms as you approach the animal. Make yourself as big as possible and throw small rocks if you must. Never run away. You can back away slowly the way you came, and then alert the authorities.
Now, camera operator will show you what not to do with animals. Okay, bud, go on over and say hi to our rabid little friend.
No.
Don't you want to teach our great viewers the importance of trail safety?
No.
See, I think he likes you. Go ahead and pat him on the head.
Nice one.
Well, I hope you all learned some valuable trail safety tips today. I know I sure did. How about you, camera operator? Great. Now, grab our gear. I gotta get to Grandma's house for some spaghetti hot dish.
Help me.
What? You need help? Fine. I guess I've got to do everything around here. Got the footage. Let's go.